Yeah, no, it was very good compared to the Midwest. Just riding on the ground and yeah, it did everything it was meant to, and yeah, it seems to be going all right.
I'm John Ward from Header Front Repairs in Swan Hill, and we've got here a delivery of a 45-foot Macdon header front which has been converted to 50 feet for Jaiden Caccianiga, who already owns one that's been converted by us. This is Jaiden.
Yeah. John Ward did their first 45 to 50 foot extension, well, three seasons ago. Now the header front's going all right, so I'm getting him to do a second one, so we can run two headers. Got 1,400 hectares of lentils to pick up, is why I've gone for a Macdon and getting it stretched out to 50 foot to fit our tram tracks. Yeah, been tram tracking for 13 years and yeah, need the Macdon and to pick up the lentils.
So what did you do? Well, we've stretched this out. We've had to do it so that it looks like it was made. We want it to hold its value when Jaiden sells it at some stage in the future. So we've gone and made certain that it looks like it was made like it. For example, the centre of the reel is still the centre of the reel. We've had to put extension in the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Plus all the reel bars here, they've had to be extended. The cutter bar has been cut here, the back of the frame, here and there, to keep the wheel at the back in the right position. So that there's more work in it than just putting a bit on the end of it. The cutter bar's got no knife or guards on it. Jaiden's putting new guards on it right through, so he's taking that home to do that now. This is pretty much the same as the first one we did for him. In fact, they'll look absolutely identical. We've made some very minor changes in how we've reinforced the joins, but the old one hasn't given any trouble, so we don't expect any trouble with this one either.
How was the performance of the other?
Yeah, no, it was very good compared to the Midwest. Just riding on the ground and yeah, it did everything it was meant to, and yeah, it seems to be going all right.
Oh, perfect.
So we'll have some photographs of both machines working in the near future.